gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night, oh this summer night.
'Cause I'ma take back what is mine and the control over my life. You think I'm running out of time, but I'll be gone before the night. So goodbye, so long, you won't be reaching me. I'm heading down this road. Oh, wiping up your smile with every lie that you told. So watch me when I go. I'm awake, opened up my eyes now. It was all a dream, or the nightmare cannot follow me. There's nothing out there stopping me. You made me weak, tried to bring me down below, but I could see the light. The exit was not hard to find. Oh, colors filling up my mind. Your intentions, they were never good. I released my tension. No more delusions. 'Cause I'ma take back what is mine and the control over my life. You think I'm running out of time, but I'll be gone before the night. So goodbye, so long, you won't be reaching me. I'm heading down this road. Oh, wiping up your smile with every lie that you told. So watch me when I go. Sit down, listen up. It's time to face some cold-hearted facts. You will never, never, ever, ever have me back. Or sit down, listen up. you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors, just let it rain all over me, 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 over me.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Woo. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.